Hey, what's up everybody? It's Zen JJ. Today I'm going to bring you a video on how do you cash in or cash out, basically mainly cash out on your SLP, whichever you are doing. And after that, if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And before we get started, I'd like to introduce you to my Discord channel, which I am doing basically like building a community which I can like issue out like free giveaways if let's say my channel hit a milestone or whatsoever. And after that, I'm also like giving out a scholarship as well for Axie Infinity. Recently joined into this ecosystem and understand quite a lot, and of course with the help of the community I learned definitely a lot. And of course in my channel itself, I also have like other manager who will be selecting scholars, therefore you can join, and after that from there you can basically have a chance of getting a scholarship. And of course let's jump into basically how do you claim your SLP. So over here on the dashboard itself, you can only claim your SLP if let's say you have your Ronin address. So give me a while. So over here you will need to basically log into your Axie Infinity marketplace, and after that basically I'm just going to show you how to log in. You can either choose to log in with your basically Ronin, MetaMask, if not email and password. If let's say you want to claim your SLP itself, you will need to log, I will say just log in directly with your Ronin address. Therefore you are able to basically claim your SLP. So I'm going to show it to you. So over here, just click on login, and after that over here you'll be prompted to sign and just confirm. And once you are in, and after that you will be on this page itself. So once you're in this page, just click on claim tokens, and after that over here, let's say you have already claimed your tokens. Let's say you have some SLP that is ongoing in the application itself, you will be able to see something. I'm going to show you an example. So example is like this. If you click on claim itself, you will see you have some SLP that is locked, and after that it needs to be unlocked on the October of 3. So once let's say you already jump over, now we are already on October of 3rd. What you want to do is just click on claim SLP, and after that once you have claimed the SLP, you will be prompt on your Ronin itself to confirm the transaction. Once you have confirmed the transaction, please wait like around 1 or 2 minutes. And after that, once you have successfully claimed your SLP, the next thing is how do you transfer your SLP to the exchange that you want to sell your SLP to. So over here, there's 3 exchanges that I recommend using to basically like if you want to send your SLP to. So one of it, I would say the first one I will recommend everyone to use is basically the Binance exchange over here. Why is that? So it's because if you click on this over here, the SLP itself, you can see the network. You can choose the network over here. They support the Ronin network, which you can directly send your SLP from your wallets, all the way there. Directly over here, you can just send it over to your Binance account. If let's say you do not want to use this Ronin as access, that means you will need to basically do another way, is basically send your SLP to the ERC20 network, and after that on OKX itself also the same. So this KuCoin and OKX is supporting SLP as well, but of course the SLP they are supporting is only the ERC20. Basically is on this Ethereum network. So I'm gonna teach you how do you bridge your Ethereum, your SLP from Ronin to Ethereum. So we are going to do the bridging later, so I'm just going to keep the segment here over here just by doing all in Ronin. So over here on Ronin itself, it's very simple to transfer. So once you have already claimed your SLP, you receive like maybe 1,000 or whatsoever, and now you want to deposit it to Binance because they support the Ronin network directly. But the address you are being shown is this address over here, which is 0x the address. So over here you're kind of confused, and after that what you want to do is just head over to your Ronin wallet. Just copy this this address, just head over to your Ronin wallet, and it's very simple. Click on send the asset. You're going to choose SLP example 1000 whatever is this, and over here you paste it. It's going to tell you it's an invalid address, so what you need to do is just head over here the 0x, just replace it with Ronin over here like this, and after that it's a verified address, and after that over here you can just send your SLP over, and after that voila, you will just see the SLP on your Binance. And after that from there we are gonna head over to the next segment right now, bridging from Ronin to Ethereum on the SLP. But it is an optional step if let's say you do not want to use Binance, or if you want to use KuCoin or OKX, this is the step that you need. So over here, if let's say you do not want to directly send your SLP from the Ronin network to the Binance exchange itself, because let's say you are Singaporean and after that you are scared that you are basically Binance kind of like block off Singapore in many ways, and after that you're scared that you put your funds in and after that you cannot withdraw it or whatsoever. But I'm still using the Binance network. I'm from Singapore, so if let's say you are very scared, you want to do basically this option itself is very simple. Just head over to the bridge.roninchain.com. I'm going to link it down below. Just head over to withdraw, and after that over here you need to connect your Ronin address to your Ethereum address. So over here is very simple. Just click on this SLP, and after that from there just click on the amount of SLP, everything, and you need to connect your MetaMask as well. So I'm just going to connect it for the sake of this video, so give me a while. So over here, I'm just gonna connect it. A moment, only withdraw to your MetaMask wallet. So I've already done my this thing over here. I'm just gonna copy and after that paste. So over here it's gonna tell me here is your Ronin address which has been connected. So you have to select the wallet that you want. So you have to select it. So once you have selected your wallet that you want to transfer your SLP to, basically you need to select, and after that from there yeah, paste your Ethereum address. So for example, let's say you're a manager and you are like, let's say, managing like tons of accounts. I would say like maybe 5-6 accounts. It is not reasonable, it is not advisable to basically do connect every Ronin address and after that from there send your whatever is that, the SLP to your Ethereum address from all the individual account. What you want to do is basically compile all the SLP on the addresses that you have. Let's say you have 6 addresses, you want to compile it to one address, and after that from there just do one time of this transaction. Why is that? So because the Ethereum network fee itself is kind of expensive, and after that you will need to basically pay the Ethereum network fee if let's say you're gonna do like many times of SLP from Ronin to Ethereum. So it's advisable to collate all your SLP in one address, and once you have done that, just head over this option over here and transfer it to your Ethereum address, and after that enter the amount of SLP you want to convert. Once it's done itself, you will see the switch take place. It will take around, depending on how much gas fee you put in. To be honest, it can take as fast as 30 seconds to get confirmed, all the way to few hours depending on the gas fee you want to pay on the Ethereum network. So once you have done that, you will need to basically send it over. It's very simple. Just head over here, just head over to your MetaMask wallet, at the choose the SLP token, and once you have chosen the SLP token, send it over to either KuCoin or OKX. And after that, right now we're gonna teach you how to sell your SLP to your currency, basically Sing dollars, Philippine peso, or let's say US dollar. So first of all, we're going to talk about Binance first because it's the easiest steps here. So over here, once you're in the Binance platform itself, just head over to Trade Advanced, which I will normally use the advanced option. For some of you guys do not know how to use the advanced option, it's okay, but I'm just going to teach you over here. So over here, once you have done on the advanced option, just head over to the pair over here, just type SLP. So depending on which trading pair you want to basically cash out in, so I would recommend using the US dollar, the US tether. Why is that so? I'm going to explain to you very simple. So over here, if let's say you are a US citizen, and after that from there you want to basically sell your SLP, and after that you want to cash out to basically US tether, and after that from there cash out peer-to-peer or whatsoever, is up to you. Just head over here and after that choose the market order. For those who are not advanced, click on sell market order, and after that select all the SLP that have been deposited. For example, you deposit 10,000 worth of SLP, 10,000, just click on this, and after that just click on sell SLP. Once you sell, you will receive your funds in basically in your wallet itself. So what you want to do next, the second step over here is very simple. Head over to this option, and after that from there, for the US citizen, I don't think you have the option over here, so I'm just going to just bridge it to use the Philippine peso. Just head over here, click on peer-to-peer. So once you have US tether itself, I would say you can cash out any ways that you want. Basically the US tether, you can sell it for goods, and after that from there just need to find your sources on what you want to spend on. So for PHP itself, I would say you guys can directly basically sell your SLP directly to people who are willing to buy it. But of course, I would not recommend you to do this because I believe using this option over here, SLP to PHP, it is one step lesser, but of course there is also additional fees being charged on the people that are basically buying the SLP. Basically, let's say for SLP right now is around 6 cents or something like that. Basically they could mark it up to basically 7 cents, and after that you would not even like notice because you just want an easy way out. I would say just do that one little step, just converting it to US tether, because on US tether itself the rate is much more on the exchange rate. I would say it's not so much markup, and after compare with selling SLP directly. So I would recommend people to sell your SLP to US tether first, and after that from there you use the peer-to-peer to basically cash out on your US tether. This is one of the way that I would recommend, to be honest. And after that, if let's say you are Singaporean, or let's say you are do not use Binance anymore, you want to do other ways, so I'm just going to tell you how. So for KuCoin itself, if let's say you are a US citizen, you can use KuCoin and sell it. And after that, for Singaporean itself, you cannot use KuCoin because there's no option for the KuCoin. There's no Sing dollars in KuCoin. So OKX itself, you can use OKX to cash out as well, but of course you need to choose the US. Basically the rate itself is not recommended, so I've already done a video previously talking about how do you cash out using the another token called a TUSD, and after that from there it might help you guys a lot. So if you want, you can watch the video, it's gonna pop up. So basically how the true US dollar works is very simple. Just let's say you want to, if let's say you are based in Singapore or US or let's say other country, you don't want to use Binance you cannot use Binance peer-to-peer for the easy access. Just head over to whatever exchange that you want to use, and after that from there just need to trade. So spot trading over here, we're just gonna jump into all the tradings itself. So just head over to spot trading, and after that over here you need to choose the token itself, so it's SLP, and after that over here we're gonna see SLP to US Tether, and after that okay, give me a while. So I'm just gonna head over here to SLP. So over here you can see SLP, you can only sell it to US Tether or most of the exchange. So over here do not be afraid, just do as per normal. Sell, use the market order or let's say limit order if you know how to use it. Just head over here, and after that from there sell it to basically sell SLP to US Tether. So once you have already executed the order, you already have the US Tether. Now you need to just do additional step, which is the true US dollar to the US Tether. So which I believe both exchange has this pair. This exchange does not have the pair. Okay, give me a while. Alright, so the exchange has the pair. You need to type US Tether instead. Just head over to US Tether / TUSD. So once you have already reached this step itself, it's the same thing. Just head over here to basically sell US Tether, and after that you will receive true US dollars. So once you have already done the option over here, the next thing you need to do is just by withdrawing basically from either exchange, withdraw it to the Trust token link. Basically you need to sign up an account on Trust token, and after that redeem your true US dollar, and it can be redeemed to your bank account directly. So this is a fast step, a fast introduction of this. If you want to go for the in-depth one, just head over to the video that I've done at around 10 minutes and 2 seconds is already popping there. So if you want, basically just do that, and after that from there, this is just the guide of how do you cash in and cash out. Like cash out mostly on your SLP, whatever you grind. So I'm gonna do outro now. So I've come to the end of video, and I hope you like this video. And of course, before we end of video itself, I'd like to bring attention to you guys. There's a scam that is ongoing on Binance Smart Chain / whatever smart contract platform which you can access to, and after that from there I would say that you receive like free airdrops, and of course they will ask you to redeem. If you go and check your airdrop itself, it is ranging from 40 US dollar all the way to 40,000. You might think you are being strike a lottery or whatsoever, but you are not. Basically they are trying to tempt you, and after that play with your emotion, and from there you will basically give into it and you will lose a lot of money, I would say. So if you want to know how to prevent this scam from happening, you have to know how the scam works first. Just head over to airdropscams.com, and after that from there you can read up on all this, what is the scam all about, and after that you can share it with your friends and family as well. And of course I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye guys.